Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration setting. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Now you can tap on Vibrate on Ring right away, and this way enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on the switcher next to Vibrate on Silent to switch on or off haptic feedback when your device is muted. When you're ready, scroll all the way down, click on Haptics and Tones. And last but not least, tap on the switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!